Hi friends, you may have observed since 1 month, Suzlon share price is skyrocketing. It has become second most active share in the stock market after Reliance. As we can see in this website, I have selected most active stocks. Here, the first one is Reliance and the second one is Suzlon Energy Limited. And if we see the chart of 1 month, the price the share price has increased from rupees 8 to almost 15 rupees, so it has almost become double. And if you go to NSE website, and if we see the traded volume, it is approximately like 17.8 crore, the volume of shares. So in this video, we will analyze what are the reasons and why there is so much activity in this share price. So, and also, is this happening to only this company or to other companies also? If we see the Suzlon company, it is operating in the renewable energy sector, and the other companies in this sector are such as Inox Wind Energy Limited, Inox Wind Limited, and even these share prices are also increasing. You can see these are also increasing. So, but there are other reasons for these companies, like such as merger and acquisition and other reasons. But first, let before finding the reasons, let's see who owns this share, who are the owners of this share, this company. So I am using the screener website. So even you can refer this one. So if you go to the investor section in this, uh, here I'll take the yearly options. So if you see the promoters option, so the promoters in 2017 they were holding 21%, but as the year comes, so as the year moves on, the promoters have reduced their shareholding. And if we see the FIIs means foreign institutional investors. Earlier they were holding 11%, but now you can see they have reduced their holding. And DIIs means domestic institutional investors. Even earlier they were holding 7%, whereas now in the March 2023 they are holding only around 6%. But if you see the public shareholding, it was a 59%, and you can see it has increased to 72%. So why there is so much increase in the share of public? Then is this increase of the public shareholding, is this due to profit? Then we will check that also. Uh, in the profit and loss section, I have taken the consolidated figure. If we see the almost around 10 years track record, the sales, if you see, earlier it was 21,000, now it is 5,000. The sales are reducing, and expenses are in proportion to sales. Only around 10% difference is there. So they are earning the operating profit, and in some years they are negative, and in March 2023 it is profit. So if you come to the net profit, in many years there are negative profit, but in 23 they have earned a profit. But is this profit due to operating profit? No, this profit is due to other income. So you can see there is other income, and there are exceptional items. If you see this, the in the March 2023, the exceptional items is very high. Here, exceptional item means these are not in recurring nature. This may happen in 1 year and may not happen in another year. So because like say for example, not this company, say for example, they may have given big discounts to the customers and all. So or they it, so like that. So exceptional means it is not recurring. So so By this, we can say that the share price increase is not due to the profit earning. And second reason, is this due to share price? In this industry, the Suzlon share is at very low price. But if we see the other shares, see this is 2170 and this is 150. So we can find that due to this small share price, many people have put more money in this, so that has caused to increase in the value, that is around 17 crore. And also we will see whether company got any new projects in this. Yes, company, we can see that in May 2023, Suzlon Energy Limited announced they got the second order of a 3 megawatt product. So they are getting the projects. And also in May 23, they received another order from Vibrant Energy Limited. And they recently announced that they have crossed 20 gigawatt energy installations. So so they have got some projects. And also, so because of that, there has been huge demand for this company. So but if we see the fundamentals, and we will also see the balance sheet. So balance sheet, we will first will come to the asset side. So if you see fixed asset, earlier it was around 12,000, now it has gone to 870, means it is reducing drastically. And this is capital work in progress. So it has almost, like this is 3, it has become 3. And investments made by the company, it has gone 0. But if you see the other assets, there is there are some assets, inventories. If you see the company, inventories are reducing, means they don't have much stock. And their trade receivables are also reducing. So this indicates that the inventories are reducing, trade receivables are reducing. And see the cash amount, that is also reducing. And other assets, so the assets in the company are falling. So company don't have the assets. If you compare to the like around almost 10 years back, they had 32,000, now it is 5523. So it is reducing drastically. And the borrowings, if you see, they are also reducing the borrowings. And the other liabilities also reducing. So the assets are also reducing, liabilities also reducing. And if you see the cash flows from operating activity, that is from the sale of the main goods and services. So if you see the record, earlier 800, it became negative in the middle, and again positive, negative, positive, and it has reduced. Then from investing activity, it is, earlier it was negative, and after almost it has become little positive. And from financing activity, it is negative. Here negative means they are repaying their debt. If you see repayment of borrowings, the company is constantly repaying the borrowings. So if we can see, and see this return on capital employed, this has, earlier it was negative and positive, positive, and it has become positive. So even when the assets are reducing, even the return on capital employed is increased. So the total return that you get will be less only, because there are no assets in the company, or the company has very less assets. So 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 by this, you will have a little idea about the company. So why there is so much activity in the company. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please put in the comments box. Thank you, friends. Thank you.